Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video we're just going to be using the BILING 6-watt solar fountain kit with battery backup, which you can just see down here on the ground in front of me. I'm just going to show you today how we can make a simple water feature with just using a few stones that we've got here, the BILING fountain kit, as well as show you the whole process of that here. As we jump into this, if you've not seen the review and unboxing of this particular kit, came out just a week or two ago on the channel, so certainly check that out if you haven't seen the full kit yet. Do is just jump straight into it, get sort of building and just kind of show you the kind of processes you can do to make a simple water feature with just a few stones and again the solar fountain. So the first step in this process, I've got my pump into the water. You can see I've used the tubing there and I've just hit it slightly under here, left the whole top of it exposed, so I've got that to work with. As you can see what I'm doing, and you can see solar panel is just here for now. And what I'm doing with this is if I take the hose, you can just see at the moment pump is running fine. You know, I'm happy where it is. Of course, you might want to trial out the placement of where your pump goes in the pond and how you want that flowing. Now, of course, with this being the 6-watt kit, you know, I'm not thinking of trying to get a huge waterfall here, nothing like that. But what I have done, as you can see, is chosen some rocks. You can just see here have some unique grooves and things in them, so I'm going to kind of utilize the structure of the stone to kind of run the water down as a channel. You can also see here we've got kind of a drip stone here as well, so we're just going to kind of play with the setup of this. And what we'll do is just, I think what we're going to do is trying to make it go into this little area here. You can see just behind it we've got another pond, which will be getting a pump and rebuild of this waterfall system soon, completely covered with all the camellia leaves and flowers for the moment, but of course that's going to get cleaned out. But now as we look down this way, you can just see where this pond sits in on our 6-hole mini golf course project here. So with that said, you can just see this is a small pond. It runs just along from here underneath this little bridge and just to there. One idea was to run the stream out underneath that little bit there, but I think I'd like to have it a bit more exposed so you can see it, you know, when you are playing mini golf or, for example, sat in the kitchen, things like that. So what I'll do is just kind of get my first rock set in, trial it out, and we'll go from there. I'll show you that. Just trialing out kind of the first placement of the first rock. Again, I think one thing to point out is when you are sort of building and trying out rock placement, potentially use the pump itself or even things like a garden hose just to get an idea of kind of the flow you'll get out of it. Now I'm quite liking this kind of idea of a very small sort of stream coming out. Just place the a rock there just to hold that pipe in while I sort of test it and take a look at it here. Now when the water level in this pond gets a little bit lower, we're going to get a little more of a sound as it trickles back in, but of course you can already see the kind of movement it's giving to the pond and the water slowly getting pulled sort of down the pond here towards the pump. What we'll do is try out our sort of second placement of rock, but really just to kind of give you that tip when you are building. I'd always suggest kind of, you know, testing each rock as you place it, just so you can kind of understand where water is going to go and where you need the water to go to get the desired look that you want. And with the rain here, you can see it is kind of off and on at the moment. The battery backup hasn't had time to charge yet today. We've had, as you can see, it's completely gray and dark up at the moment. And raining, I must say as well. But with that said, what I'm going to do, you can just see basically, yeah, the kind of flow we're getting. A little bit of a trickle off the bottom, a little bit off the top here. I'm trialing out placements, but I like a little bit of a sort of waterfall you get on that. You can see just that little bit of a water blade as well. So you can just see here, sun has come back out. I have rearranged that top rock there. With this feature, it is simply just a couple rocks placed on top of each other, and we're not using any concrete or any foams or anything like that to keep this together. It's just to show you how just simply placing a couple rocks together, be able to create a nice little flowing water feature. You've got the little flow off the bottom, you've got the little trickle off the top here, and if you just have a listen, lovely little trickling sound there. Now I don't really want anything kind of crazy in the back here. We're going to be building a few other larger features off the back on the mini golf course here, but just to show you briefly that if you wanted to put something together very quickly, or you've just, you know, you've got something in an area of the garden, it's not really going to get knocked over or anything like that, you can make a very quick and simple water feature using the BILING 6-watt fountain kit as well as just a few stones or other materials you have there. Now, of course, you're not stuck to things like stone or anything like that. Some unique features you can make with things like bamboo or other sort of bubbling stone features, which you may have seen our recent build on that one. But in conclusion, hopefully this can inspire you guys to get out and build some waterfalls, water features in your garden. And of course, with this being the solar kit, we don't need to have this sort of near a plug or anything like that, mess with any sort of wiring. Just sort of, put it in, forget it, let it run. Of course, with the battery backup on this, means like even now, where the sun has gone behind the clouds, and has not changed the waterfall at all. So great bit of kit. I'd certainly suggest this and recommend it, and hopefully this has helped some of you guys maybe build your first waterfall. If you have any questions or anything like that, drop them in the comments below. Of course, I will add a link to the product in the comments below as well. If you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, they'll also be in the comment section below. And lastly, if you haven't subscribed, certainly feel free to do so. Join our amazing community. Lots of reviews out on the channel. Also lots of other pond builds and things like that, so if you're interested in any of those sorts of things, check that out. And of course, we also are growing sort of the tropical style garden, so if you're interested in all of that, certainly check out the other videos on the channel. With that said, of course, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.